Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today's video, we are going to talk about what we can actually blast in a vapor blasting machine. What about plastic? What happens if we put glass inside of a vapor honing machine, or even a brass mask? And then we're going to go back to a part here that's actually cerakoted. Let's see what happens when we blast all of these in our vapor honing machine. So we're going to start with our plastic. We've got aluminum oxide in this machine, and we're going to give it a shot and see what happens to the plastic when we blast it. So, as you can see, this area that we blasted, we've cleaned off all the gunk and the grime and the thick, heavy paint that was on there. It's a little bit of a process to get some of this thick stuff off, but can you blast plastic? Absolutely. No damage to the plastic. Wonder what happens if we go to something else. Somebody order a frosted glass. So can we use vapor honing on glass? You can, depends on what the result that you're looking for, but it's not actually going to clean that glass up. What about our brass piece here? Now, I'm not going to use an aluminum oxide on this. That's a little too rough for this surface, and we don't want to destroy it. This belongs to one of the girls in the marketing department, and I value my life. So let's move this on over to our glass bead and see what we can do with it. So, even the discoloration that was under the eye over here, we've actually cleaned that out. Brought that back to a very shiny finish. Got rid of the tarnish that was on there. Brass, vapor honing, absolutely. Now I've got one more thing that I want to try, which is a cerakoted part. Can vapor honing remove cerakote? Let's go find out. We have a piece here that's cerakoted. We're going to put this back in our aluminum oxide, but in this case, I think we're going to go with the 220 aluminum oxide, not quite as aggressive, and let's see if we can remove this cerakote. 220 aluminum oxide. Cerakoting is removed. We even started down inside the barrel. It's hard to see in there because it's dark, but it's removing from inside. Hit a little bit on the back side here. This piece is very intricate as far as its design. It's going to take a little bit of time to take that off, but can you remove cerakote with a vapor honing machine? Absolutely. And my question is, what is it that you want to see if we can do inside a vapor honing machine? What have we not done that we can do? Send us your ideas. We'll be more than happy to try them. Phone number here if you have any questions is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.